I couldn't
We're
believe
like, okay, yay, we got 4 tapes. Okay.
Alright, let's do it then. On nightmare mode. Here we go. Alright, where you guys at? Because I'm already scared. Okay, cool. We all spawn next to each other. Well, one of the many tape locations. Man, this game ain't even trying. Oh, sweet Jesus, it's trying! Sweet Jesus, it's trying, and I'm about to already cry. That was bull! Oh dear God! Where's my cross? I need a cross. Dude. Oh, he's right behind me. He's right behind us. Oh. Oh my God, oh my God. Dude, it's as soon as you grab that tape, like as soon as you touch the tape, he appeared. Just to let us know, you ain't getting the 6 tapes this time. Oh dear God, why did we even pick, why did I go on Nightmare? Just why? If we die, when I die, I'm so screaming like, what? Oh my God, why is he drooling again? Is this the map with the road? Or is that a different map? I forget. Hey, dragon heads. I wish I had a dragon so it can kill him. I hear a tape. I see the tape. I got it. Okay. Which way should we go? We're all following you. You're our leader. You will stop me from screaming like a little girl. A nice midnight stroll, they said. It be safe, they said. Right, I got a big, naked, muscular, white thing chasing me. I'm afraid to turn around. Okay, we haven't seen him in a while. Knock on wood. But I think... Okay, hang on. In the bathroom. We can hide out in here. Let's just stay in here. We'll be safe. Oh, sweet Jesus, he's coming! Lock the door! Oh, God, why? I should have went to the bathroom before continuing the game. Okay, if I remember this map correctly, isn't there a place down here? What? You're lagging. Please God, no one disconnect. Oh! 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 Oh, shit, what happened? Oh! Follow me. Quickly. This way. Into the trees. Okay. Oh! He's right behind me. We're getting separated. I don't know what I should do. Please God, text don't show up that it's dangerous to go alone. I'm pretty sure he's hunting me. He does not fear the Norse. Okay, I found a path. I found a path. Where you guys at? Okay, I'm back on the road. And he's on the road. He is chasing me. I shall distract him. Find the tapes. On my own again. Go going for a stroll again. Please, God, don't tell me I'm alone again. Just walking downtown. Walking fast. I'm not looking behind me again. You're not doing this to me. No. He's gonna be there. It's just gonna be a repeat of last game. He won't get my butt this time. I have a plan. Look, my plan worked. A tape! Eat that, karma! Oh, I probably shouldn't have guessed the gods, because the gods are doing it. Oh my god. I am really, really terrified right now. Okay, is it still me and the other person, or did all of you die? I still can't understand you, you're lagging. All alone again! I have a feeling everyone... Hey, another tape! Suck on that, white noise. I'm gonna be the gaming champion. Oh look, tombstones. What are those doing here? My confidence is slowly fading. I need to find the... Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, that's what. Never mind. And here I thought he was... Oh, sweet Jesus! The fuck did he just hit? It sounded like something metal. Oh, I might be able to find another tape. Oh no, I'm coughing. I have a cold. You don't want me. I have a cold. Come on. Where's this tape? Oh, he's right in there. I got it. One more tape to go, white noise, and I will take your place. I can't hear you. Okay. There's one more tape to go. One more tape to go, right? Just one more. Okay, hang on. I found a stream. This is a place I've never been to before. Oh! Dude, this music is so fucking terrifying right now. I'm afraid to turn around, because last time I turned around when I got that 7th tape, he was right there. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Please tell me the last tape is here. Please. Please tell me. Oh my god, we got the tape here, didn't we? Oh god, I'm about to make solids. Oh, thank god. Oh, wait, that just crushed my hope. You didn't tell me she died too. Okay, no, I'm not looking behind me. He's gonna be there. Oh! No! He's right fucking there! Oh shit, Oh!
I give in, I need to think your money. 17. That's your pretty good record. 7 to 8 minutes.
Well, I mean, 5 minutes to 9 minutes, so, you know, it's still pretty damn good. I mean, we still did pretty good, you know? Boom! That one scream again. Damn, man. This shit got intense.
You need to get.
Dude, that was so fucking bad though. Right from the start, he just appeared. It was like over, and then look at this. We almost made like a circle, and then I kind of went off on my own there. You both died around the same place too. Oh my god.
Let's see you.
I think I didn't get into that bottom left corner was where the last one was. Wait, we got 4 people?
Look,
Oh, hell yeah.
We have 2 players, 3 players, 4 players. Okay.
At least we got 4 now.
How about the only